This is Helios gel insoles for the shoes. You can use it in any of the shoe. Let us have a look towards this. This is Helios made in India. Gen soles, men's 6 to 10, size 6 to 10. It will look like this. So you can read all the important things, all these things through. You can go through the instructions. So this is the price, 449, 1 year guarantee. So this is the thing. You can have a whole look inside, and you open it, you will find these are the gel soles. These are the instructions. This is the covering. All instructions are given here. From one side it will look like this. The other side it will look like this. This is for the gripping inside the shoe. See, you can place any of these. See, if it is becoming lengthy, what you can do is that, see, the sizes are given here. You can cut it according to the size of the shoe, and you can place any of the shoe. So this is the insole gel. It is very good. See, it is free foldable and it is having good thickness. It will give good strength to your heel. See here. So this is one pair. This is one pair. You can use in any of the shoe. You can cut it according to the size. See, size which goes inside the shoe. So if you want the exact size, you can place it here like this, and you can cut. You can place it like this, and you can cut the extra one. And you can cut the extra one like this. So it will be exactly fitted. This is the normal rubber. This is not that much quality. It is not having that much quality. This is it is for general use, not so quality one. So this is the gel, very good one. It's a full sole. After cutting according to the size, actually I already cut this one. After cutting according to the size, you can place the gel inside like this, and here also like this. You can place it like this, and you can use. This is the best cushioning effect. So this is the basic information about Helios insole gels. I hope this video is informative and useful. Let us meet again